If you run an e-commerce store, it's never too early to start planning for the holiday season. For most e-commerce businesses, the holiday season is the most profitable time of the year. For an average online store, it can account for up to 40% of annual sales. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we share tons of useful dropshipping tips and e-commerce info. With Q4 coming closer as dropshippers, don't forget that the earlier you start planning, the more prepared you will be when it's time to launch seasonal promotions. If you're not sure how to make the most of the holiday season, in this video, we're going to talk about 8 useful tips that we summarized from all the successful cases throughout these couple years. If you also reckon this kind of tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Now enough introduction, let's jump right into today's content. Number 1. Refine your site with a festive look. Driving customers to your site is not the only thing that you need to do. You also need to get them in the mood for some holiday shopping in your store. What else could get them wanting to spend more than a festive-looking homepage? Add some holiday cheer to your website by using holiday-themed banner, graphics, fonts, and colors to get your customers in the festive spirit. By decorating your store with holiday vibe effects and creating an atmosphere of festival, you can grab customers' attention and inspire them for more purchases. Number 2. Create holiday product bundles. A product bundle is a kind of pairing that seems to be the most appropriate holiday marketing idea to be implemented. You can not only create bundles and gift sets that will boost your sales, but also add appealing messages to them, such as best Christmas outfit, bundle for loved ones, etc. Such sets will undoubtedly grab the attention of customers. Besides, when you create gift bundles available during the holidays, you're offering a win-win situation. Bundles benefit you because you will sell more than a single product, while your customer benefits because they have one less decision to make. Many of your customers will be busy during the holidays. Every decision takes energy, and when there is so much to do around this period, they'll be happy to offload some of these decisions. If the price of the bundle is cheaper than buying everything separately, your customer will also benefit by saving money. There are many creative ways to pack gift bundles and present them to your customers, as value packs, gift basket, bundles for him, for her, for the little ones, etc. While you may not have as high of a profit margin on gift bundles, you'll be more likely to sell more of them, which is another win for you. Number 3. Discount for the second recommended item. Let's imagine after you buy a product at a discounted price and you're offered another discount when buying a second one. This is the concept of successful upsell and cross-sell. For example, when a customer buys a pair of earrings from your site for 20% discount, a pop-up appears and offers them a scrunchie at 50% discount. In reality, it's actually not much value, but it makes the customers feel that they will get more benefit, and so they are more likely to buy. There's something we should keep in mind about this marketing idea. First, the second item must be relevant, or part of the first item. For example, shoelaces for shoes. Secondly, it should be much cheaper than the first item. Number 4. Give a hand to buyers with gift guide. Gift guides are always in demand. You can publish them on your website, promote them via social media, and use them in your emails. Most buyers do not always have ideas on what to purchase to make their beloved ones happy. Thus, you can save their effort and improve the shopping experience by offering gift guide. Gift ideas can be arranged in accordance with the type of products in your store. For him, her, for singles, couples, for kids, for pets, for sports, for music lovers, and so on. It'll be easier for customers to search for new gift ideas. Number 5. Gift card for ending purchasing on your store. Sometimes percentage promotion of holiday sales is not really interesting. People love receiving money and gifts, like the real money for the next purchase. Or you can give them a gift in physical form. You may give your customers a gift card equal to an amount of money that can be used for the next purchase. To make this holiday marketing idea successful, keep in mind that it is not a coupon. It is cash. People may not respond to coupons, which are generally considered sales and advertising, but money and gift cards, that's a different story. You can search on Pinterest for more ideas about gift card design. Another reason to have gift cards is that you gotta remember that many shoppers are looking for more simplicity. Sometimes shoppers just won't know what to get for their loved ones, even if you help guide them with gift bundles and guides. Now, when you have gift cards for your e-commerce store, don't assume that your customers know about them. And don't assume that they will think to check on their own. Instead, be proactive and promote your gift cards during the holidays. Whether you promote gift cards in email newsletter, existing ad campaigns, social media feed, or as pop-ups on your website, just make sure that you let your audience know that your gift cards are an option too. Number 6. Prepare pop-up recommendations. If you have a holiday-themed product collection, a special offer, a quiz, or any content you want to drive your customers' attention to, the best way to do it is by using pop-ups on your website. There are many ways to design pop-ups, but the simplest way is probably by featuring links on it. Display such recommendations after a visitor has spent a few seconds on a web page. That indicates that they're interested in your content and more likely to respond to your calls to action. Number 7. Holiday promotional emails. Promo emails are the most popular type of emails during the holiday season. Depending on what you're selling, you can be promoting a sale, a seasonal collection, or a particular product. The secret sauce of a successful holiday promo email is a clear call to action. Emphasize the invitation to shop, yet provided alternatives paths for customers who prefer checking best sellers or new products instead. Number 8. Offer free shipping and returns. Free shipping is an impulse for 93% of online shoppers to buy more. Increase the chances of converting holiday shoppers by offering free shipping during the holiday season. If your online visitors have a choice between a similar store that offers free shipping while yours doesn't, they're likely to pick the option with free shipping. So don't let your competition get the edge here. Hack. Normally, it can be unprofitable to offer free shipping for all orders. In this case, a free shipping threshold is gonna be very helpful. Just set a minimum order value. You might even gain more sales for doing so. Consider adding free returns to your list of Q4 promotion ideas. Other customers may worry about whether a certain product is a good idea for their loved ones. What color should they pick? Will they even like the gift? And the more they worry, the less likely they're going to buy. So just remove the risk factor from their purchases by allowing them to return the item for free. It's up to you if you want to offer exchanges or full refunds. But in either cases, your customer knows their loved ones will have options if they don't like the gift or prefer a different variation of the same gift. Okay, that's all the tips we got for you today. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you'd like to grow your business with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. I'm Bella from cjdropshipping. Like the video if you do like it. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.